important question. Now we can write this as tan theta 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan cube theta d theta. Now this further we can write it tan theta secant square theta d theta upon 1 plus tan cube theta. 1 plus tan square theta is what? Secant square theta. Now let tan theta is equal to x differentiating with respect to theta, we are getting secant square theta d theta is equal to dx. So what we are getting now? Integration of x dx upon 1 plus x cube. Integration of x upon 1 plus x square minus x plus 1 dx. Resolving denominator into factors. Now we are having x upon 1 plus x and x square minus x plus 1 is equal to a upon 1 plus x plus bx plus c upon x square minus x plus 1. Taking LCM, x square minus x plus 1, bx plus c, 1 plus x. Now opening the brackets and writing in the comparing with the coefficients, we are having now this becomes a plus b x square plus minus a plus b plus c x plus a plus c. Is it clear? Now coefficient of x square, x and the constant term on solving, what you are getting? A is equal to 1 by 3. Sorry, a is equal to, it will be minus 1 by 3, b is 1 by 3, c is equal to 1 by 3. Now our question becomes integration of minus 1 by 3 with dx upon 1 plus x plus 1 by 3 integration of x plus 1 bx plus c x plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 dx. Now solving this part first, okay, we can write it 1 by 3 integration of dx upon 1 plus x plus 1 by 6 2x plus 2 multiplying and dividing by 2 upon x square minus x plus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 dx. We have to solve this, so I have directly written here what we are going to do it. Now solving this part first. Okay, so solving this part, what we are getting now, suppose it is I1, we'll be having 1 by 6 integration of, now this becomes 2x minus 1 and plus 3. 2x minus 1 plus 3 x square minus x plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 dx. Is it clear? Now 1 by 6 integration of 2x minus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 dx plus 3 by 6 integration of dx upon x square minus x plus 1. Now moving in the same sequence, what this we are getting? 1 by 6 log mod of x square minus x plus 1, and this becomes plus 1 by 2 integration of dx upon x square minus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. So for the first part, for this part, what we have used? We have used integration of f derivative x upon fx dx is equal to log mod of fx plus c. So first part, this one is done directly by the formula. Now we are having 1 by 6 log x square minus x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 integration of dx upon x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. One by 6 log x square minus x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 upon root 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 plus c. So now starting for the whole of the question. Now the question was now integration of what we are having, minus 1 by 3 dx upon 1 plus x plus 1 by 3 integration of x plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 dx. Now this becomes what? Okay, I have written this part. Okay, now this becomes what? Now this becomes minus 1 upon 3 log mod of 1 plus x plus 1 by 6 log mod of x square minus x plus 1 plus 1 upon root 3 tan inverse 2x minus 1 upon root 3 plus c. And at the end we are having minus 1 by 3 log 1 plus x tan theta. 1 plus tan theta plus 1 by 6 log tan square theta minus tan theta plus 1 plus 1 by root 3 tan inverse 2 tan theta minus 1 upon root 3 this is the